How to add highlights on Facebook. Open Facebook on your device. Tap on the menu icon at the top right. Select your profile to view it. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three dots at the right side. Choose Archive from the menu. At the top, select Story Archive to see all the stories you've shared. Tap on any story you'd like to view. Click on Highlights at the bottom right corner. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can edit the highlight. To change the name, simply tap on the text box, then enter your title. To add more stories, tap on Add More. You can choose additional stories or upload photos from your gallery. Once you're done, tap on Next at the bottom. If you'd like to update the cover, tap on the camera icon at the top to choose a new one. Tap on Use once you're done. Once you're finished, tap on Save at the bottom. And that's it.